All right, got ourselves another one of those Blizzard blasters. Blizzard blaster blasting off. Let's see if we can't get one of any of those rare inserts. We ended up with pretty basic box the last time, just Horde parallels and the one Herodric piece. So here's hoping we break odds here a little bit. Trying to get ourselves a Molten Core Parallel, or I don't want to get too green. Maybe a sketch card. Cool. All right, let's get into it. First pack. Honestly, I have no idea who's even on this pack. Maybe we'll pull their card and we'll figure it out. Got to be some kind of Overwatch character that they released that I don't know the name of. Starting off with Hearthstone Shaman. Got Rhaegar Earth Fury. Oh shit! Into Doom Fist. Mr. Power Fist himself. Dude, does that kill Jaden? Holy crap. I don't know who's more impressive, if him or the Sargeras we saw earlier. They're both pretty cool. Oh shit, Hanzo and Genji are related? That's cool. Yeah, they got the same last name. That's pretty neat. Alagos on the Horde parallel. That's cool. Oh, Varian Rin from Warcraft. That's cool art. Man, these would go so much harder in Chrome or Foil. Holy. You got an Adept. And a Hellbat. Back-to-back StarCraft units. That's pretty cool. I swear. Dude, the Adepts are pretty cool. They have that, like, blinking mechanic that they can, like, phase around with or whatever. Kind of teleport around. Not blink, it's teleport. Silver's in our red again. That Malagos art is pretty sick, though. What is this? Rock and roll racing. That's pretty cool. Must be the game cover. Oh, we got Diva. We got your girl, Matt. Zagara from HOTS. That was a fun character to play. I like playing Zagara. Oh, we got a red parallel on the drone. Man, I think the drone card looks so clean with just the white. This is Magda from Diablo. One of the desert bosses. Oh shit, the siege tank. That's power right there. I like the freaking siege tank. Is cool as shit. Oh, a different Anduin Rin fighting Sylvanas. That's pretty cool. And then Rakanoth from Diablo on that clean white background. Will say I do enjoy the art of these cards. Guess you got to kind of be a Blizzard fan to like opening these, because it's definitely just for the base art cards, because you ain't cracking no big boys in these regularly. You're getting the Horde parallels and bases, it looks like. The hit rate on these is worse than the sports cards, it looks like. But I'm glad the art's nice on them, like especially this Jaina. Man, I just wish they were like foils. Junkrat. The high gloss cards are nice though. Oh, a different Lost Vikings game cover. Widowmaker. Holy. Hey, I'll let y'all linger on the Widowmaker a little longer. There you go. Woo! Yeah, bad boy. Reinhardt on the Horde Parallel. That's a beat. Where's his hammer? Hammerless Reinhardt. Adria from Diablo. That's honest. I honestly don't remember who that is. Oh, this is a different Jaina Proudmoore. That was the Hearthstone one. This one's the Warcraft one. I think I like the Hearthstone one a little better. And then we got Agwin from Warcraft. Looks like a Timu Jaina Proudmoore. Bob's gone quiet. Must be on the phone, huh? Oh, we got Baptiste from Overwatch. One of the probably newer characters to this. That Arthas. Soldier 76 reporting for duty. Oh, we got the Adria Harajer cube. And then the ball on the Horde red. Different Gromosh. Oh shit. That's a cool card. We got Nova Terra with the Kerrigan on it from StarCraft. Let's get and admire that card a little bit better. Holy, that's a lot of booty. That's how the Oh shit, we got the Banshee. We don't need to zoom in that close on the Banshee. You know, the camera knew what its job was, dude. It stayed in focus that entire time I zoomed in on the on the booties. It knew its job. It just got like gas around the booties. This pack's feel. Ooh, we got a new boy on the front. Got Bronzebeard. I have a quest for you. Retro Arcade Collection. That's cool. It's got the Lost Viking. It's got that racing game, and then it's got some kind of like Contra game or something up there. Sombra. Oh, we got the red parallel already. Abathur. This guy was a freaking pain in the ass to play against in freaking HOTS. A good Abathur was super annoying. Oh, a Windrunner. Alaria Windrunner. And with, was that Sylvanas and honestly don't know who the elf on the left is. Ooh, Foul Sunstrider in front of the Blasted Lands gate there. I forget what the gate itself's called though, the Doom Portal or something like that. Nerazim Dark Templar. That's nice. Lilith. Diablo. Old Dami Mommy herself. Dude, if you can actually get like the gold lettered parallels and stuff out of these packs, they must be like the rarest thing in the world because we haven't gotten one yet. Oh, we got Hanzo in a battle pose. Oh, there's my boy. Finally, Roadhog. That's my main right there. Overwatch. Yeah, man. Fury and Storm Rage. Freaking badass druid right there, dude. We got a Lario Windrunner in the action pose now instead of with her squad. Oh, we got the Arthas. Oh man, the Arthas on the Horde parallels. That goes hard. That's nice. Oh, we got a new Thrall art. More of like an artistic piece. Oh shit, the SCV, good to go, boys. SCV, good to go. Oh, this is the Uther we're used to seeing right here. Uther Lightbringer. Last pack magic. I'm rubbing it for good luck. I ordered 2 more of those folders for that I have for holding cards since I put the Garbage Pail Kids in one, and then I put the AEW Wrestling that I opened in the other. And so I ordered 2 more sets of 2, one for this, and just to have the other ones on hand. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's 480 cards it holds, and it's the bigger sleeves. It's the 4x3 instead of the 3x3, so it holds 12 a page instead of 9, so it has like the bigger surface area. They're nice. I like them. What's that? $18.98 for both. Finish off this pack. Lunara. Ooh. Muradin Bronzebeard from Warcraft. So not even the HOTS version. Dude, that's cool art. If I can get it to get in focus. I don't know why my camera acts so funny sometimes when it to focus on stuff. There we go. Ooh, got the Tyrande. Oh! Oh! We got an ultimate ready. I guess they're not acetates, but still, holy, we got an ultimate ready. Torbjorn. Holy, look, it's got like a little patch or something there, like a little symbol. It's raised up. Dude, you know what? They should have had the turret in the big form. I guess it's ultimate ready, not ultimate activated, but oh man. I'm not gonna lie. Of the ones I get, this was probably on the weaker side. I'm just gonna be honest. Like the Genji one, the Hanzo one, the Zenyatta one, those would have went so much harder. But hey, everybody likes themselves the engineer. Torbjorn's fun. This is a 1 in 140. Holy crap. Yeah, you did. Yep, this is definitely. I really wanted to hit the Molten Core Parallel because that one's like really pops on screen. But we hit a 1 in fucking 140 instead of a 1 in 70. And you hit a fucking sick ass Horde Parallel. Anduin Rin from Hearthstone, so he's got like the shadow form going. That's fucking sick. Oh, you hit the Jim Raynor too. The variation one, where he's not in his Space Marine outfit. We hit the Raynor one earlier, I think. Oh shit, you got a lot of cool ones. Maya's Shadow Song. This last pack has got all the fucking sick cards in it. Oh, who is this? Arcturus Minsk. I can actually play the Who. I don't know. I got you. I just don't remember him. Yeah, I just don't remember this person. I remember fighting like a tank in a battle cruiser and playing through the Space Marine campaign and stuff, but I don't remember. Did you play as like Kerrigan or something at some point? Or is that two I'm thinking of? That's going to be everything. Appreciate you all watching. Till the next time. Peace out.